A giant effigy of former UK Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson has been set alight during weekend bonfire night celebrations in England. On November 5th, people across Britain hold fireworks displays to mark the anniversary of Guy Fawkes' failed 1605 plot to blow up the British Parliament. The town of Edenbridge in Kent traditionally burns an effigy of a notorious figure and decided this year to go with the leading Brexit campaigner. Footage shows the 11-metre statute of Johnson holding a slice of cake with a Union Jack on it. By his feet were red buses, which during the Brexit campaign were used to show the inaccurate claim that the UK sent £350 million to the EU instead of funding the UK's National Health Service. Previous Edenbridge victims include former Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein, as well as US President Donald Trump.